Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing video, or rather untearing video. Today we're going to be untearing a Pear soap. I know I did another one on doing another Pear soap. I know it's kind of weird to say, but we actually got the second flavor in. Yay! So, and here it is. So the other one was a blue one. This is actually a green one. This is pure with lemon flower extracts, so pretty sweet. Awesome. Actually, this one came in this, right? The other one actually didn't came in a one of these things. Maybe let's go ahead and open it. Maybe it's wrapped up. They're maybe double layer wrapped, but let's give it a shot. And if it's not, it's totally cool. I already have a soap holder ready for it. So yeah, this is Pears transparent soap, pure and gentle with lemon flower extracts. So the blue one smelled okay. This one, I'm actually curious to see how it smells. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's on that. Okay. Yeah, so if it's wrapped around, well, there goes that label. Should use that one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Awesome. So that's how you know it's a good quality soap. It's specially wrapped. Nice. So it's like the blue one, but like I said, all Pears are the same. I tried the orange one. I liked it. The blue one I haven't tried. I'll try it later once I run out of my other soap. But whoa, it smells almost like the blue one. It smells. What can you say? I guess lemon flower? I don't know. You'd probably have to try it yourself, but just by smell, I guess we have to waste it, or maybe I'll eat it. And yeah, it's kind of hard to smell it, but like I mentioned, yeah, just from the smell of it, I can smell like a little bit of lemon flower extract. It's not strong lemon, but I'm going to say it's like, I don't know. Look at the ingredients. It's a lot of ingredients. I could probably smell the citrus medica limonum extract. Yeah, so alcohol fragrance, isopropyl, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate. So yeah, overall, yeah, I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably try it within the next coming months. I'm not gonna waste both of them, but overall, like I said, this feels premium. Let me know if you guys ever tried Pears yourself, and let me know how it worked out for you. If anything, I'll probably try this one over the blue one and see what the difference, because I'm kind of curious to see what like the difference is and how, because when it comes to soap, you want it to last like more than 2 days or even a day, depending if you sweat a lot, you know, etc. So yeah, once again, this is the Pears pure and gentle with lemon extract. Let me know in the comments below if you guys ever tried this, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, maybe it dried up your skin pretty good, because everybody's skin's different. So, but like I said, I always like trying new things. So, but I'm not well, at least they were honest about the ingredients. I know the other one had almost the same ingredients, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. And they've been around since 1807, so that kind of says a lot. But I know that most of our, basically, most of our soaps have been, they've been trying to stay away from any like harmful substances that we use. So, but it is made with natural oils and filtered for purity. So that's one thing is, and yeah, we'll see how it works out. I will see you guys later. And once again, let me know how you guys feel about these Pears branded soap. Transparent.